Hi there, Davinci here. Welcome to my channel. By the end of this video, I promise you, you will know how to detangle any synthetic wig that you may have, especially a curly one. Now, I will say, if you do own a synthetic wig and you do make use of your synthetic wig, please make sure that you don't just do this method at the end of the week or when you see that it's getting critical and your wig is getting tangled up. If you get into the habit of doing this every single day, every time you take your wig off, your synthetic wig will thank you. I will say that to prolong the life of the wig, make sure that you are very gentle. You can even use your hands. So first you're gonna start and finger detangle. So we want to be as gentle as possible, so that is why we finger detangle, so that by the time we come to the combs, we get into the hard to tangle out knots.
Make it sweet, sweet, so tight, tight, nothing nice. Make it for my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like, that's what we like.
What you're gonna use is any detangling brush. My go-to detangling brushes, white tooth comb, as well as this Denman brush. I like it because it has steel ends, very great for working with synthetic wigs. And then you're gonna start at the ends and work your way up. See, once I can run my comb through that section, I move up. And any stubborn knots that you may find and you can't get them out, just cut them out. Like, don't waste your time, just cut them out. And after that, it's just the same repetitive steps. You keep on running the comb through the hair until you can run it freely through that section. And I will say that if you want to work more efficiently, definitely not faster, but more effectively, work in very small sections.
Not for the night, 767 minutes, got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crack down the block, made a right, yeah, light, cut the lights, yeah, light, made a price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet,